is a hardware-based two-factor authentication system which we developed to enhance the physical security of an authenticator. So I'll proceed with how the device works. First, I'm going to restart the device. When you restart the device, there will be a LED blink. It will be shown with a blinking LED. This happens because it's trying to get connected to Wi-Fi. If the LED becomes solid, it says that it's connected to Wi-Fi. If the LED doesn't glow up at the end, it says it's not connected to the Wi-Fi. The thing which is here is a clock. This is a OLED display. This is a push button, and this is a LED, and this is the main controller ESP32. And we have a battery here as we power this with a battery, and we have the battery charging circuit and booster circuit here for powering of the ESP32. The reason why have the clock is, now if this system doesn't get connected to the Wi-Fi, we can use the clock to get time. As this system uses time based one-time password, we need time. So for that we are using clock. And one more thing is, we are using Wi-Fi to sync the clock with the correct time, as this real-time clock can drift 2 seconds per day. So we are using Wi-Fi to sync that and correct that time. Now I'll say why there is a need of this push button. When you press this push button, you will be prompted with the user interface, or this ESP32 opens up an access point which you can connect to it and access a website which is hosted inside the ESP32. And from that website, you can configure for what account you are setting up this authenticator for. Here, for example, I have set it for Google. You can do for other Microsoft accounts and some other thing. Now we will see how the access point works. I'm going to press this button. If I press this button, you can see in the OLED display there is a text named AP popped up. This says, now your system currently in the access point mode. Now you can access the website by connecting to the access point. Now I'll connect to the access point here in my PC. You can see there is a new Wi-Fi popping up that's named as TOTP config AP. I'm going to connect to it. Usually it's a password protected one. As I already connected to it, it's connecting for me. But when you connect it for the first time, it will ask for a password. So I got connected to it. Now I'm going to enter into the website. For that, you have to type IP address 192.168.4.1. If you type that IP address, you will be prompted with this website. Here you can give your account name and the secret key provided by that account for setting up the authenticator. And in case you want to change the Wi-Fi and password for the ESP32, you can do the same here. After that, if you click update configuration, everything will be updated in the ESP32, and the ESP32 restarts to show one-time password for a new account you set it up.